Hello everyone, this is Anton, and Obsidian has released a new version. It's 0.9.11, and it has three notable features that are included in this update. Now you can export the PDF, you can fold headings and preview, and there's a short or a hotkey that you can use to fold and unfold headings as well. But before we get into it, please like and subscribe to the channel, and here we go. So the first update of exporting to PDF, all we have to do is go to the three dots here where it shows more options on our note, click export to PDF. We're presented with a location dialog on where we want to save the file. Choose where you want to save it, then you click save. The file will save to the directory that you chose, and it will be opened up automatically depending on which machine you're on. It should open automatically. If not, browse to the location of where the file was saved, and you can see here it opened up in my PDF viewer and everything looks as it should. Okay, so the next update is folding headings in the preview. So you may not have this particular plugin enabled, so you will need to go into settings. We'll go to the editor option here. We'll scroll all the way down until we get to fold headings and enable this if it's not enabled. So now that it's enabled, we can see here that we can collapse and fold the headings, and if we go into preview mode, we can also collapse and fold the headings as well. And in addition to allowing you to do the manual fold and unfold of the headings, they provided two hotkeys as well that you can set. So we're going to go into settings, go into hotkeys, and this time we'll just search for fold. We can see the two hotkeys here, to fold all headings and lists and unfold all headings and lists. They're blank right now. So let's go ahead and set those. We can go and customize this command. We'll use Shift Command left key and Shift Command right arrow. We'll go ahead and X out of there, come back to our note. And if we come to the note, now we're in the edit mode, and let's try the hotkeys. We'll collapse, expand, collapse, and expand. Let's go ahead and collapse, and let's put it in the preview mode now. So we're now in preview mode, and if we collapse, hit the keys, then we can see that that works as well. And if we try to fold it, for some reason this does not work for me. So there may be a bug here. Also notice that the arrow does not change either. So if I expand, unfold works, but we can also see here in preview the arrows do not change. So there may be a bug here that needs to still be fixed to get this working correctly. But if we go back into edit mode, we try the hotkeys, you can see it folds and expands, and that does work. Okay, so those are the main three updates in 0.9.11. Hope you liked the video. If the information was useful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, have a good day.